Hey love, so today I'm going to be doing another Shein try on haul, and I'm going to be showing you guys ways you could style some of the items as well. So yeah, let's just get into it. Alright, so loves, for this first t-shirt, I first of all love the color. I love the material. It's really stretchy. It may appear small, but it fits good. You don't have any problem putting over your head, sorry. So I paired it with this pencil skirt. I also got it off Shein. I'll check if I can see the link so that if you're interested you can check it out. And I paired it with this DIY heel sandal. So if you haven't seen this, check out my video. I'm gonna leave the link as to how I designed these sandals in case you haven't seen it. So yeah, so this particular t-shirt, one thing I love more is the color. I love the color. Sorry, I'm looking this way, I'm looking at the mirror. So I love the color and it fits good. The length is not so short, but it is slightly transparent, slightly. So I love the t-shirt because you can dress up or down with it. So I just don't like that it is transparent. So I'm gonna give this, an 8, all right, out of 10, because I love the color, just for the color. I keep repeating that, but I do love the color. So I'm gonna show you guys which other way you can just dress up with this in a minute. So guys, if you want this jacket, I did do a haul in my live stream haul, so you could just check out the link on that. Alright, so the next item is this acrylic t-shirt. So I say acrylic because the material is acrylic and it's so smooth and it's actually thick, like slightly thick, and it's not transparent one bit. I love that it's not transparent, and the black is actually deep black. The hands, I just wish it was a bit longer, but it's okay anyway. So I love this. I'm gonna give this 10 out of 10 because I saw nothing wrong with this. The price was absolutely amazing for the quality of this t-shirt. So the material is stretchy because it's acrylic. So I got this in size medium and it fits really good. And this is the length. So this is the length, all right. The length is quite all right. So I paired this with this Forever 21 pants. So I got this off Forever 21. I'm going to see if I can see the link. If I don't, I don't know, you guys may just have to check it out for yourself. So I'm going to try and leave the link for this if you're interested. But yeah, that's it for this. So I'm going to go on and try the next item. So for this t-shirt, the only thing I love is the versatility, alright? I'm not a great fan of the material. It's a bit tight on the hands, even though here is quite loose, it's just tight here and it's not stretchy. Alright, so you can go for a casual look like this, or you can just tie it up for a less casual look. So like I said, this match, like this style, because I love the name, you can like dress up with it in different ways, like dress up or down with it. That is what I love about this. But the material is not stretchy, and I took a size small. I'm wishing I took a size medium. All right, so I paired it with this skirt I got from Shein as well. So I've done a Shein haul on this, so you can check out my previous Shein haul videos to see the link to this. So yeah, and I paired it with this DIY design heel sandals as well. So yeah, that's it for this, and it's actually quite transparent. It is transparent, like really transparent. But if you put on like a black underwear or nude underwear, then you're good to go. All right, so that's it for this. I'm gonna show you like another really casual way you can dress up with this. So yeah, so you can keep it up like this, or let it be like flying out, or you can actually tuck it in as well. Let me show you guys. So you can absolutely tuck it in for a less casual look like this. So I'm gonna try on the next, like no, not next item. I'm gonna show you guys another really casual way you can dress this up. So yeah. Alright, so for this really simple look, I paired it to this DIY for slippers as well. So you can also check out that video. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. So yeah, that's it. Alright, so the next item is actually a bodysuit. I've had it for a while, but I didn't know how to review it because I don't know how to review this without being naked. But I've worn this for a while, so I'm gonna just tell you guys the difficulties I encountered. So it has a hand, the hand is like a chain sort of thing. It keeps breaking off, alright, but I keep fixing it back, like it's fixable, alright. So it keeps breaking off, but overall it's actually alright. The material, I got a medium. It was a little, just tad bit big. I was wishing I got a smaller size, but yeah, that's it for this. It's actually very good. If not that the hand breaks sometimes, it's actually okay. So I'm gonna rate this 9 out of 10 because it really served me for the purpose I wanted it for. The next item is this ring. So it comes in a pack of 5. I'm wearing the other two, right? So it has this moon design and this other design. That's how it comes. So it fits in different fingers, like some fit the bigger finger, some fits the smaller finger. So yeah, I really do love this. Like, is so pretty, and the price was super cheap, like super cheap, right? So I'm going to leave a link to the description, in the description, to all of this, in case you're interested in any item. You can easily just access it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, so hope you guys are staying safe as well. Yeah, bye bye. Hello, so today I should hello, so today welcome back to my channel. So I'm just